In this tutorial, you will learn how to change your Plesk contact email address. Log into your Plesk account. In the left sidebar of your Plesk account, click to open the account interface. And then click the My Profile button. Enter your new email address in the email address field to change your primary email address. You can also select the appropriate domain from the drop-down list. If you require, you can change the external email address also. This is the email ID that you use to reset your password. When you are ready, click OK. That's it. We have successfully changed our contact email addresses. Thank you for watching.